a Samsung one. The is 4. Mine, I'm gonna give it to. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I think it's 22 in the morning, I think. And it's so weird. A few days ago, I think that was last week. Yeah, a few days ago. The weather is so nice, like it's spring already. Like it came to 50 to 60, the temperature here. And then now, I'll show you outside. You see that? It's snow. I'll show you outside. We have a little bit of snow, so I will show it to you, okay? Did you see the tree, guys? It's so pretty. Sorry. The snow is not really that heavy, but the snow is really holding onto the tree like crazy. Like, I'll show this to you. How pretty is that tree? Okay. It's so nice. That's the neighbor's house. The tree is so pretty. Hopefully, I don't think so, but hopefully this is the last snow of the winter. And but people doesn't think so because it's just gonna keep coming. The tree is very pretty, Han.
Yeah, because it's so warm, there's no wet sticks.
It is very pretty. Nah. Nah. Hi guys, we're back in here, and I will show you when I get back. Of course, the dog is a little have smell in it because every time the dog get wet, they have some sort of smell. So what I did is this. I put this. This is waterless shampoo spray, lavender fills. This one here. I don't know if you can see it properly. Hold on, guys. This.
Roxy, leave Hobbs alone, please.
And I will tell you something about a waterless shampoo, guys. I read something online that don't use an oatmeal. This is the treats. I will show you treats. Cat treats. Oinkies. Oinkies. Pigskin. Real smoke. Han, can I tell you something? They don't like this. Top chews. Grilled steak recipe. Yeah, it's a grilled steak. It's bacon and cheese flavor. And this is the bacon strips. They're not a big fan of this, but if they don't have any bone in the floor, they will take this. The pork chunks, roasted, rawhide free. The milk bone, the marrow snacks. The Purina Alpo variety snack. Snaps, little bites. You're such a... Okay, guys. I put you over here, and he's like, Han! God, God. Guys. Let's see if you're gonna work. Where's my phone? Okay, guys, can you see me? Oh my God, this is very sunny. I don't like it. No, it's hot. Somebody's a hard head over here. Oh, it's melting already.
I told you, if you didn't take them out right away, you wouldn't be able to, because it'll be gone. The sun comes up, it's gone, and there wasn't enough snow there to last. The trees are all done.
So we're gonna pick up
Pet food.
yeah, cat food. And my husband have a new extra phone. He's losing his phone. Oh, he's losing his other phone. It's not working at all. So he ordered this at Amazon, and it's a blue something.
That's it?
Yeah, that's the name of it. Blue as in B.
LifeX.
Blue as in blue.
LifeX 1, blue. BLU.
BLU only, no E.
That's it. No.
BLU, guys, blue. It's $140 something. It's not bad, and the phone is quite nice. And it's confusing when you used to use iPhone. It's confusing to use this. We're going to TD first. Huh?
No, going to pick over here.
Pick over here. Okay, so yeah, this cover, it's go with this, and you have to take off the case, the back case for this, and then you put the cover itself. This is all together with this, like this. It's a nice phone, guys. So yeah.
It's
Android phone.
Dual SIM.
I have
Dual
my
SIM.
Yeah, dual SIM. It's micro SIM, right?
Yep.
It's a micro SIM. And I have an old Amazon. My husband have an old Amazon, a Samsung one. The is for mine. I'm gonna give it to my sister, and my husband, I'm gonna ask him to have it and give it to one of my family. Because guys, my family don't have a freaking phone. My sister have the phone that we gave, the one that is not really even work properly.
They got.
Why not giving the old one that we have?
Well, mine's not unlocked.
They can unlock it over there.
I guess, but we got the same phone as that one. Only it doesn't have the Gorilla Glass, and it's less than $100.
Okay.
And unlocked and dual SIM.
Okay.
So we could buy them one of those brand new. They could have. Wouldn't it be better? I mean, this is a nice phone. Okay.
It's very nice. It's very slick. Like a very nice phone. It's almost the same thing with my iPhone 6 Plus.
I don't like
the same length.
emails are colorful, but
Yeah, it's very colorful. Look.
I don't like that.
Look how colorful is that. I think you can change the background also because it's too much.
That color is normal for a cool phone, but go to emails. It has all those little
Okay.
IDs on it.
Well, it's nice. I have a colorful phone. And what else, guys? That's it. Did you notice something, guys? In this angle here, did you notice something? You comment if you notice something about me. It's not a big, it's just, I don't know. You tell me, guys, if you notice something.
I'll give you a hint.
No.
I can't.
But anyway, it's very shaky. You're in New York. Everything have a pothole in here. I'm gonna read a comment, guys. Hold on. Comment from people. I'm gonna thank you to the people who comment my last video. Hold on, guys. Video.
What do you want to do for lunch?
Lunch?
Pick up lunch. We'll go out.
Huh?
You pick up lunch. Where do you want to pick up lunch from?
I don't know. Do you want to pick up something?
I guess.
It's up to you. Thank you, Miss Jorkan, Illy Mitch, Pearl Gabe, Mary D, Charles and Kate May, Jean Gals, Cheryl A, Danica Montgomery. Thank you guys so much for the comments, and thank you for the people who watch my videos. 150 people watch my videos for this vlog, the previous vlog I have, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thumbs up and the thumbs down. Thank you. This is one of my favorite, guys. This thing, I really want to get more of this, but my husband doesn't bring me back to where did we get this? Models. I get this from Models, one of my favorite. I can go out, I can stay with him with this. I don't have to worry like going out with this. Like I don't want to either get embarrassed or anything. But this is the only one I have that it's like this, like a hoodie thing, and it's like no zipper and just like this. So I don't have nothing. We're here, so I'm gonna get you guys out from there, and yeah. Get another grass for cats. My husband doesn't water the grass, guys. That's why. Okay, let's see, guys. We get the bed. Remember, I told you we get the bed from a Costco. Look how much, and that's a smaller one. And how much is that? I think the price is this. No, there's no price. That's so ridiculous.
This one's 50 for this little one.
Yeah, for the little one, $50. This is the big one. Look, how much is this? $100, guys. Yeah. How much is that? No price?
$100.
Oh shit! Look at that. The one that we get in Costco is 30, 28 something. What is that for? For the snow. I like the pink one. For hubs. Oh, this is good for hubs. Oh my god, honey, look at this. Guys, this is so good for my little boy. Oh, that's for, what's the name of what is it says in there?
NYC.
FDNY?
Fire Department. New York City Fire Department. Beef. This is turkey.
Did you try the beef before?
Yeah, I like the turkey better.
He's playing with his phone. He likes his phone, guys.
For the cat. Shop for the cat.
Shopping for a cat food.
Shop for the dog.
Oh, really? You can buy a dog? You can buy a dog. Thanks for the dog. You don't like your thing, Han?
What's it?
You don't like the... You don't like your headphone?
The wireless? I can't make it go loud enough.
Anyway, happy birthday to Girly Ferg. I will put the name here because I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. But happy birthday to you, girl. I know you live, we're close to each other. You're over there, I'm right here. What?
Idiot.
That's from Trader Joe's Costco. mahi-mahi tilapia. This is good. That's good and good. Yeah, that's our dinner, guys. Rice, guys. Rice. The mungo beans left over for dinner. I will call it a night, guys. We're going to bed now, and that I can edit also this video. So good night. That's ice maker. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye 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 bye.